Waterproof, your specialist for waterproofing and innovative products. We develop systems and materials for waterproof buildings. Are you looking for the perfect injection resin? Welcome to the world of HydroBloc injection. HydroBloc integral systems offer professional, high-quality, single-component injection resins. Forget your knowledge about injection resins. Accelerator, reaction starter, B component. All well-known problems connected to them are a thing of the past with integral resins. One component integral. Simply brilliant. Simply integral. Actually, 3 different integral resins are available. HydroBloc 575 integral is swellable after the curing process. This means it starts growing in contact with water. HydroBloc 510 integral is a classic waterstop form. HydroBloc 620 integral is a hydroactive form. This presentation demonstrates the water-swellable HydroBloc 575 integral. We simulate the situation in a water-bearing crack or joint. Therefore, we mix 575 integral with a test liquid. Integral 575 is a low viscosity resin and with just 120 mPa easy to inject. If we leave this cup, the resin will react in the next few days, just with the available air humidity. This is the current result. It is fantastic how easy resin and test liquid are mixable. The same happens with water in the building structure. Integral resins enclose a blocked hardener, which takes off in contact with humidity. This starts the reaction and the curing process. More humidity leads to a faster reaction. Humidity is always available in building materials, sometimes more and sometimes less, but always enough for a safe and secure reaction. HydroBloc 575 integral don't bother with the inconvenient mixing of A and B component or the addition of smelly accelerators. Work could be started at once after lifting the cap of the bottle. One of the typical problems with 2-component resins is the extremely short setting time in high temperature surroundings. This problem doesn't apply on the integral systems because they are unaffected by temperature. Only the available humidity defines the length of the curing process. The viscosity rises until the peak level is reached and the end product, a highly elastic rubber, arises. HydroBloc 575 integral is suitable for all typical sealing jobs, such as crack sealing, sealing of rock pockets, working joints and injection tubes. This is a crack injection with 575 integral. The highly elastic resin seals the crack secure and permanent. Movements such as building settlements cause breaks and damages in rigid resins. This leads to new leakages. Swellable resins are elastic and grow in contact with water. This is called the self-repair effect. The swell test. The next pictures show a 72-hour swell test. Initial situation: 2 identical test items. Water cup and reference sample. Compared after 2 hours. The first sign of swelling activity is the color change from yellow to white. Compared after 7 hours. Compared after 72 hours. The maximum swellability in water is 85%. This process is 100% reversible and arbitrarily frequently repeatable. The solid content of the resin is 100%. This guarantees that it won't shrink under the original size when the sucked up water goes away in dry condition. This is the main difference to injection gels. The self-healing effect guarantees double security and is practically belt to suspender. The advantages of integral resins. Quite simple, ready to use, single component, no mixing, and definitely no mistakes. Single component integral, simply brilliant, simply integral. Always one step ahead with ARCAN Waterproof. Do you want to know more about our products? Do you have questions? Speak with us. Our team in Germany is always at your service. Or visit us under www.arcan.biz.